is Vasant Walter AS, founder and director of Shrestha Education and Charitable Trust and Institute of Learning Sindhanur. Today I would like to discuss one of the topic that was included in program specialization pathway, that is built environment. In this specialized pathway, as we already know, built environment actual meaning is whatever it comes under the construction of human-made environment is called built environment. It is also relevant in the fields of architecture, land space architecture, urban planning, town planning, sociology and anthropology. And next, what are the prominent features of built environment is roads and highways, sidewalks, public transportation and parks and green space and everything whatever it comes under the human-made environment, everything included in the built environment. What we can train you in the specialized pathway of internship is we will train you up to date technical skills about built environment, and then next every software required means design of AutoCAD and design in some of the relevant fields of softwares we are going to train you, communication skills and good verbal interpersonal skills in the relevant field of industrial working space area, water supply system, sewage treatment plant and wastewater treatment plant and water demand, estimation and BOQ of water required in the town area and village mapping, longitudinal cross sections, whatever included in the syllabus, and all laboratory tests included in the syllabus, and everything we are going to cover. And longitudinal sections, cross sections, and every drawings, whatever included in the syllabus, we are going to cover. Thank you. And another important thing I would like to discuss here, if you want this internship means, we offer in the two modes. The two modes are, first one in the institute itself called Institute of Learning. It is our institute. In this Institute of Learning, how you will get training means, there are two periods. First one is, there is 6 months, and then second one 13th week that was included in the DT syllabus, means 1 week of internship or 1 week of project period. And in this, what we are going to train you is, in the institute means you will get the benefits of, there are digitalized classrooms with the projector view classes, and then high-end systems with the high-end softwares also, and then relevant field softwares installed in our systems, and then director's cabin to have face-to-face any, if you have any doubts means you can clear with me to face-to-face, and then online services you will get from reception, and then accommodation facility for boys and as well girls. We do have hostel facility and then PG facility also. Or if you want, you can stay in the room. That will also we will provide accordingly. And these are the benefits what you can take in the institute for internship. And second mode is in the college itself. In the college means we will only directly come to your college and we will only train you there in your classrooms with a projector we can train you in your classrooms only, and then every equipment we will only bring and we will only train you there, because as we have trained 49 plus colleges in the past earlier days, we have completed 3,500 plus students in the Karnataka, and in so many colleges I have given internships and job placements also, and then 2,500 plus students in the online stream of internship, as we can call, that is as industrial training for civil engineers, or we can call implant training also. You can get in the college itself, and everything I have trained in the college only. Now only we are going to offer in the institute itself. These are the two options one individual can select in the two modes of internship. One is institute and second one is in the college. Benefits of taking internship from our institute, or we can say from our company, what are the benefits we can offer is, first one, complete practical oriented teaching and complete practical oriented atmosphere, and then second one, you will get everything practical knowledge regarding to the relevant field of specialized pathway, and third one, report and project report everything you will get, and fourth one, job placement, this is assured job placement. And fifth one, ISO certificate and institute government approved certificate that you will get from AICTE New Delhi board. And sixth one, career counseling after internship. Seventh point, mentioned software training and software career. Absolutely, we will provide after the period of internship. And then we will provide absolutely 26 plus videos in the online, as we have designed platform in the online itself. You will get 26 plus videos about industrial knowledge for civil engineers. And the ninth one, 17 plus videos of implant training you will get in the online only. And then next, we will offer oral communication skills and interpersonal skills and how to speak in English, how to face interview. We will provide life skills training, 9 plus videos. It is also absolutely free. These are the benefits you will get when you have enrolled for the internship of any specialization pathway from our institute. Thank you, my dear students. This is Vasant Walter AS.